Could the market be ending on a high note to end 2023? Now, that's what we're going to be talking about here. We're going to be looking at the Nasdaq 100, which is big tech, your Nasdaq 100 names. These are predominantly the options that I trade, is all the ticker symbols or the majority of the big seven in the Nasdaq 100. But I also do trade futures for Top Step, Prop Firm, as well as Apex. So I'm always looking at the Nasdaq. I always want to see where's the overall direction going. Now, we've been having a phenomenal run since the end of October. We've kind of been in a little bit of a 2-week almost distribution pattern where the market's kind of consolidating, it's going sideways. So if you've had a little bit of a tougher time trying to make money the past couple of weeks, this is the reason for that. You're not really getting too many, follow throughs to the upside or to the downside. You're getting a little bit of a move and then it's taking it away and then it's looking like it wants to go short and then it kind of reverses back up. But if we look at what happened on Friday, we had a nice little washout. Okay, Thursday and Friday, we had a nice little washout. We lost the 5 and 10-day moving average. We never really tested that 20-day moving average. So again, it's not going to be too much rocket science, guys. What we're looking for here is if the market does want to lose a price of 15,857, that's your short position. You're going to ride that short position into the rising 20-day moving average, which you can see down here is creeping higher, and that price is sitting at around 15,770. So you do have some room to kind of work with. You've got some space to play with there. However, the benefit still has to go to the bulls. We reclaimed both our 5 and 10-day moving average on Friday with a hammer candle. The market could be getting ready to kind of test new highs here very, very soon in the month of December. So again, if you're looking for that kind of end of year kind of cap off, you're looking for that end of year kind of blow off top to kind of that little last minute hoorah, that last minute rally. Definitely what we're going to be looking for here is 16,050. Any confirmation over that is Friday's highs, and we're going to play that into Thursday's highs of 16,110. So we've got about 50, 60 points worth of room that we can kind of play with in that general long. However, if we do close over that 16,100, we potentially could be testing the 16,200s and ultimately coming up here to our daily supply at around 16,300. So from where we stand now, we could be potentially looking at the Nasdaq 100 pushing up another 300 points on the future side of things, which is also going to bring up a lot of the names in the Nasdaq 100. So if you do trade things like, for example, I'll just pull one name out. If we look at something like AMD, notice how AMD back tested its rising 20-day moving average and put in this hammer candle. It's very easy to see that if AMD starts to lose Friday's lows of 118.60, we've got a lot of room down. So this is going to be your short position. However, we're at an area of pretty strong support that we have not tested since breaking out back on November the 1st. So this is a first back test of this whole rising support. If we do start to get over 122.32, we could potentially be testing 126 on AMD before the year's end and even higher. So that's what I want you guys to focus on, is definitely focus on the longs until we lose 15,857. Now, that's not to say that you're not going to be able to find a little bit of a scalp position going to the downside. There might be some short setups. I get it. I understand. But if you want to stay on the right side of the overall macro trend, the benefit still goes to the bulls. We're still going to continue to buy these dips. We're still going to continue to take out these previous days highs and buy those longs. So again, until we lose Thursday and Friday's lows, we have to give the benefit of the bulls. We have to kind of stick with that overall bigger trend here on this distribution kind of consolidation that we've been looking at. So again, if you guys are looking to kind of trade with me each and every single day live, trade with the rest of the team, we do live voice chats, we do live webinars, we do daily watch list. I also do one-on-one coaching. If you guys need to set up those one-on-one coaching calls, we can build out a trading plan. We can build out a risk management plan. We can go over your trades. We can do all of that stuff in Evolution Traders. I've cut the price in half until the end of the year. I have one space available left if anyone does want to take advantage of that. I had 2 people sign up over the weekend, so I'm very excited to get started with the new people to the room, kind of welcome them in and try to getting on that, on that right path to profitability and consistency. But again, if you want to take advantage right now, it is 50% off. That price is down in the description box. To everyone else, Please do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe on this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on where you think the market is going to be pushing to kind of round out the year. And I'll see everyone else on the trading floor tomorrow. Good luck to much success, and I'll catch you guys all next time.